Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maddie. Today I thought I would tackle the mammoth task that is organising my wardrobe. I have let it get into an absolute state and I just feel like it needs a real declutter and organisation. The thing is, I'm so lazy with this sort of stuff, so I decided to make a deal with myself and give myself 60 minutes to do this. So wish me luck. We're gonna clear out my wardrobe together. We're gonna make sure all the hangers are matching. I have these black hangers and it just looks so much better when they're all them, but the odd little sneaky yellow one and silver one has snuck in. So yeah, I just need to get rid of a load of these clothes so we can actually fit all of this in the wardrobe. If you've watched my other videos, you'll know that I just have a lot of stuff. I just kind of shove it away in the cupboards and like to forget about it, but then it kind of explodes everywhere like this. So we're gonna make a start and do a summer clear out. I've also got this wardrobe here. These drawers are in an absolute state. So oh my god, I'm looking at this now and I'm thinking, how on earth am I gonna do this in 60 minutes? But it's fine. I'm gonna be more motivated. I'm gonna put a playlist on and we are gonna get this done. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna start by doing is just go through the wardrobe and chuck anything on the floor that doesn't spark me joy and that I really don't feel like I need to keep. I need to be ruthless with this because otherwise we're just not gonna get it done. So let's begin with this section, which is my trousers and t-shirts. So I just had a knock on the door and my new phone charger arrived from Amazon. I swear I go through a new phone charger every month, but hopefully this one will be better. And I just realised I hadn't actually set a timer on my phone because my phone was buried under this pile of clothes. I'd say it's been about 5 minutes, so let's set ourselves a 55-minute timer. Okay, let's go. I need to plug my phone in. So as well as going through what I'm going to keep and what I'm getting rid of, I am just organising my clothes into colour order because I feel like it just makes them so much neater this way. I'm trying so hard to be ruthless as well and I just can't. I just can't part from some of these items, but I'm going to have to because I need to make space in my wardrobe. there ever items that you know that you are never going to wear again, but they literally spark so many memories for you? This blouse I bought when I had just got out of the psychiatric unit and I was just starting to get back into fashion. I used to be super into my like embroidered collars, and I don't think I'm going to wear it, but I'm just going to keep it in my wardrobe because it just means so much to me. So my boyfriend doesn't officially live with me because there's literally no space in my wardrobe, as you can see. This is what his clothing collection is limited to, and chest of drawers over there. I need to work on clearing him some more space. Oh my goodness. I swear today is like one of the hottest days of the year. I literally need a fan in this room. We have 20 minutes left on the timer. Maddie, come on, I keep getting distracted. It is now time to tackle this section, which is loungewear. So this is my odd sock collection in the bottom of here, and there's a random receipt. I love uniting socks. I literally do not know how I have amassed 2 of these boxes full of loungewear. These were supposed to be my boyfriend's boxes as well, but they have somehow turned into mine. Look at that. One whole drawer empty. Done. Right, how long have we got left? 15 minutes. I'm gonna make a start with my bras because I literally never wear bras. Never mind padded bras. This is how many bras I'm left with. I've literally had to put so many bras in the wash because they just smell from being like dusty and in the drawer. Anyway, we're on to this drawer, which is just a drawer of random stuff. Then we just got my bags and my dresses, and then we can just put everything back in the wardrobe. No! No! Guys, I failed the challenge. Oh my god, stop! I've literally just finished clearing out everything in the wardrobe. All I need to do is put this all back in. So shall I give myself an extra 15-20 minutes just to do that? Okay. 20 minutes on the timer. Ooh, whoops. I am gonna feel so good when it's done. Done. I am just going to give it a little wipe down. The mirror is a bit dirty. and so is the inside. Oh my god, I feel like I need a nap after this. It's literally been an hour and a half and I'm dead. Well, shall we do you a little tour of the new improved wardrobe situation? Okay, so I cleared out my trousers and my tops. These drawers are all, I mean, this one looks a bit messy, but how much can you organize socks and pants, you know? We've got pajamas in here. We have some more trousers and some shorts in here, and then my fitness stuff in the bottom there. I haven't gone like fully neat just because I just don't have the flipping energy. I've organized it as much as I can, all right? And then in here we've got jumpers and tops. We have my bags here, and then in the bottom we have loungewear in there, and then this one's got a bit of space in it. And then in here we have all of my dresses, and then what's left of my bras, and then in here we have just some tops, and then my odd sock drawer in the back. They're just waiting to find their partners. So I think all in all pretty good. I didn't touch the top shelves because there's not really much up there. All in all, I am a sweaty mess. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I need to lie down, but I feel so proud of myself that I've done it. Let me show you. Let me show you these piles on the floor though. This is the mountain of stuff I am giving away. I usually give all my stuff away to the charity shop or my friends, and then this is my current washing situation. I need to wash all of that, and I've got an overflowing washing basket. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope it's inspired you to go and do your own 60-minute or a little bit longer wardrobe clear out. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below to let me know what you thought of it. It means the world when you guys like and comment on my stuff. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you all on Monday for a new video, and I'm off to collapse on the sofa. Goodbye.